Latest update, just doing some more disassembly. Got a puller and removed, I guess that's the balancer. It looks like that's the balancer, but it's also attached to this. I don't know, I guess that's part of the balancer too. And I see little keys in there, those came out. Here's the original front crank seal. There's the water pump and the pulleys. Boy, that's dirty, isn't it? Also just started taking apart the, I unbolted the oil pump, hoping I could like slide it out of here, but I'll have to undo the, looks like that's, yeah, oil pump chain. Guess I can take this thing off here. Anyway, it's coming together. I'll take all this stuff off too. Well, I guess it's not coming together, it's coming apart. But once I do that, then I can, I guess is the way it's lined up, I can remove all the caps on the rods without having to rotate the crank. They're all accessible. And then I can look under this cap also because the oil pump's in the way. Anyway, I'll keep you guys posted with my progress.